Welcome back, guys. Now, for those of you that are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday we did analysis for today. We told you guys that USDJPY will give us a bearish move. Can you take a look at this bearish move, right? Which is for the 29. We talk about price opening and closing bearish for today. So we actually made about 150 pips bearish move was made today. Prior to that, we were having a pullback, which we actually predicted it. So during this bullish move, we talked about USD giving us a bullish move, and it gave us, 28. We talked about opening and closing bullish. Same thing with 27. We also talked about opening and closing bullish. And take a look at it for the 29. I told you guys that we would be having a drop, and guess what? We've gotten that drop on this USD JPY. Now we would want to predict this price for the next day. In order to do such, first of all, we would want to know the trend for such movements, right? Before you place any trade, you want to know it's either an uptrend move or a downtrend move. So what we are seeing on this USD JPY is a downtrend move. That is one. Secondly, our price is trading below our 10-period moving average. Now, those of you that know how to trade this your moving average, or those of you that does not know how to really use this moving average, the easiest way is, once your price is trading below this 10-period moving average, all you should watch out for is a sell setup, guide and sell, especially if you're a swing trader, right? And if it is above your 10-period moving average, if it's trading above it, then we all know that that is the buy movement. We all should go down. But here, it is below our 10-period moving average. Now, this movement, I want you guys to spot this movement, which is a drop here. And we will take a look at this to be a pullback. Now we will consider this to be a new lows, and here will be seen as a pullback. What do you expect next after the pullback? A drop. This is what we've gotten, and now this is a pullback, and we talked about having a drop. So this today we've gotten a drop. So the next day we expect a bearish move. So let's see if we can make about 100 pips bearish move for the next day, which is for the 30. I would expect this USDJPY give us a bearish move for the next day. So anyhow, you guys will watch out for a drop on USDJPY. So a bearish move is coming on USDJPY. That should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. You see, previously we were having an higher highs and higher lows. We saw this price was above the 10-period moving average, and I told you guys, before you go ahead and sell, make sure your price breaks below your 10-period moving average. So today price kind of gave us that bearish move, and you see it broke below this moving average. I'm sure most of you must have taken that advice and sell, right? Now that this price is still trading below this 10-period moving average, before you go ahead and sell again, especially those that are yet to sell, I will tell you to actually wait for a pullback. Be patient enough so you can consider this to be a drop. All you just have to do is maybe spot like 2 to 3 green candle on the 4-hour time frame, not on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. If you can spot 1 or 2 green candle, then you can now take that green candle as a pullback and go ahead and sell. So anyhow, USDJPY for the next day we should expect a bearish move. But if you want to go ahead, you should wait for a pullback. That would make sense, and you can see it still trading below our 10-period moving average.